Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush. So let's go ahead and open up the box. Okay, so we lift the box lid off from the base of the box. And you can see the contents of the box neatly laid out right there. And let's set the box lid to the side and then take a close-up look at the contents as they remain in the box. And now let's start removing the contents and laying them out across the tabletop. And lifting the box tray off, making sure we've removed everything from the box. So there is a charging or power cable in there. And now that the box is fully emptied, we can set it to the side. And then we can place the contents across the middle of the frame so you have a better view of the accessories and components which we've removed from the box. Okay, so let's first start off by taking a look at this booklet here. So in this booklet there appears to be a card as well. So let me set the booklet back down and give you a close-up look at the card right here. So there is a coupon card for a 99% discount on what appears to be a soft silicone 4-pack cleaning brush. Okay, so setting the VOGCREST customer care and coupon code card right down and moving back on to this booklet right here. So this booklet appears to be a user manual, instruction manual to use the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush. And it is a fold-up type, so let's fold it out and give you a close-up look at the details and instructions of the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush. It's right there, and on the reverse side. Okay, so that's the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush user guide. We can set it down to the side right there perhaps. Okay, and then just doing some slight rearrangements. And now we can take a close-up look at the USB cable. So there is a charging cable, given that this is an electric facial brush which can be recharged. So it comes with a USB and DC type connector right there. Okay, setting the cable down to the left, and now we can take a close-up look at the attachments for the facial brush. So there is a massage head attachment here, and these ball bearings actually spin in their position. You can hear it spinning away very slowly, of course, not very free, but has a good amount of movement in their positions right there. Nice good look. So this would be used for massaging a face and stimulating some blood circulation. And on the underside you can see those pods right there. Now of course the connector right there. Okay, so nice, good look at the massage head attachment for the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush. As you can see, giving you a good idea of the size and how this would work with the rotating balls. Okay, so that's the massage head attachment. Setting it down, moving on to the next item. So there is a bristle or brush attachment as well. So this one has a very soft bristle head right here. As you can see, I'm going to show you just how soft it is right there. And it is very gentle. And on the reverse side, the same type plug attachment, of course. And I'll show you the other bristle head just for comparison right there. It comes with 3 heads altogether, 2 bristle heads and 1 massage head. So let's find out about this one. This one seems to have the same firmness or softness, just that the one on the right has much longer bristles, so obviously that's going to provide a bit more flexibility and softness, of course. Okay, so left one, because of how short it is slightly firmer, and the one on the right is quite soft. So I could be wrong in terms of firmness, but they feel almost identical, just that the one on the right is a lot longer, so it has more to give right there. Okay, so nice good look. Of course, same plug attachment at the rear right there with the hex type of fitment. Okay, and now we can move on to the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush itself. So let me just set the plug heads right there so that it doesn't interfere too much with the foreground right here. So we have the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush in my hand, and just going to give you an all-round look. Let me set the brush heads across the top row perhaps. Might move that again in a bit, but just trying to give you the maximum viewing experience with everything in the shot right there. Okay, so here we go. We have the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush in my hand. So you can see it is a kind of tapered shape, going wide from the top all the way to the bottom, narrowing to the bottom, and has a single button operation right there. And on the base or bottom, you can see the plug hole or socket for which to plug the USB charging cable into to recharge the unit. Just show you the kind of height of the facial cleaning brush, and of course the connector or plug end to it where the heads or removable heads or detachable heads plug into. So you can see them in the background right there, which is pretty handy. Weight wise, it is pretty light, you can see, and size wise, resting it in the palm of my hand, just so you have an idea of the comfort and size, of course, for reference. Okay, right there, so hopefully a nice good look close up, of course, right there, of the VOGCREST branding, and just sliding it towards the top of the screen. You can see it tapers down to a pointier end at the bottom, and it does have a nice glossy or semi-glossy finish. and it is waterproof, so it can be used while you're in the shower. Of course, for the right reasons, right there. And let's just hit that button right there with no attachment at present. And you can hear the gentle whirring of the motor. And it is spinning right there. And let's press it again. So the speed has now increased. And then it is now even faster with the third button press. And pressing it again shuts it down. So there are 3 speeds altogether in terms of the rotating head speed. 1, 2, and 3. And let's see what happens if I press and hold, or turn it on and pressing and holding. Okay, so a very simple to use facial cleaning brush with 3 operating speeds simply by toggling, and you can see that the button lights up to let you know that it is actually working. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put the attachments in to see how they work. Let's start off with the long or ultra gentle cleaning brush right here. As you can see, the bristles nice and soft, very, very soft. Brush head right there. Okay, so we plug the head in by simply making sure that it is in the correct hex position. So just like that, head is in, and hitting that button right there turns it on to the first speed. And you can see it, how it works on the back of my hand. And I'm pressing with quite a bit of strength there into my hand, and it's still spinning away quite nicely even at the lowest speed. And now let's tap to the middle or medium speed and see how that goes. So once again, nice, and even pressing all the way down does not stop the motor at all. It is still quite strong, and maximum of course right there, spinning away with a nice rotational speed right there. So you can see very clearly the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush with its 3 speed settings. And now let's remove this head and try the shorter bristle head attachment, which has a slightly firmer bristles on it. So let's hit on that button. Let me turn it off. It is kind of wobbling slightly, so let me make sure that I've plugged it in properly and evenly. There we go. Okay, so it is slightly wobbly, but it is just fine as we show you this demonstration of the bristles on the back of my hand right there. So you can see how the bristles and the facial cleaning brush responds. So nice and soft, and of course middle speed as well. So first, lowest speed setting, medium, and highest speed right there. So okay, so nice and gentle still, even with this short bristle head right here. And lastly, we do have the massage head with the 5 ball bearings in it, right here. Okay, and we simply, of course, plug this in once again, making sure that it is in the correct orientation and lined up. So just hitting it there. You can see it spinning away at the lowest speed. And right there, you can see the facial cleaning brush with the massage head attachment, how that works on the back of my hand right there, with the 5 rotating ball bearings that spin in their positions. Okay, and let's go to the medium speed. So this one will definitely give you a vigorous and stimulating massage on your face, or whichever body part pleases you. And of course, hitting it to the maximum speed right here. And still working away without stopping the motor at all. So I'm pressing down with quite a bit of force, and you can see that the back of my hand has gone red. So that's how vigorous and intense that workout or massage can be. And of course, turning it off just like that turns it off completely. Once again, showing you each size and handling of the facial brush in my hand. And with the close-up look once again at the massage head attachment with the 5 free spinning ball bearings. And giving you a close-up look once again at what the attachment shape is like, with the hexagonal connections, and of course placing the head back in very simply like that. So that's the VOGCREST Facial Cleaning Brush. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!